You are not allowed! Di ba na-winner na ikaw? Na-winner ka na, di ba? Wala ka pa na-winner. Ikaw na-winner ka na. Maglingkod ka. Maglingkod.
X-Men evade Valenzuela Nima! Ladies and gentlemen,
From the very first word to the last word in past tense form. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3, go!
Peter Piper picked up pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked.
May gusto bang humamon? Okay, you ready? Okay? Sige, ulat lang at taga na to siya 1 minute.
Hindi ko kapag
Peter Piper pickled papers. I bet the
Nabubulan ako tayo.
You want to try? Yes, you wanted to try the game. Come on in.
If Peter Piper picked the pickled peppers, where's the pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Gusto kong hamunin yung isa. Halika dito, ma'am. Okay. Dito ka, ma'am. Tapos dito ka sa kabila, ate. Alright. Kunwari, nagsasagutan sila, nag-aaway sila. Kunwari, Pero ang sasabihin nyo ay yung mga words lang.
Sige po.
Peter Piper, pickled peppers. Ganon.
Sige po.
Parang, alabanan mo na kontra-kontrabida, Mauna ka. Pero hindi mo ubusin, first line ka lang. Peter Piper, pick up pack of pickled peppers. Then sasagot yung isa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, mauna ka. And lights, camera, action.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
A peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Where's the peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked?
Ang gagaling! Thank you so much. Ikaw na